shed has arrived. Most of it. Well, hopefully today we will get the rest of the fill for the house. We've had some really unsettled weather, more bad weather coming probably tomorrow and for another week. So we're making a dash to get this done, get the fill in. It's probably another 100 mil or so of soil to go on here to form up the house. This is after the first day of the pad, which looks absolutely huge when I stand here on it. Well, we've taken another couple of trees out here now.